Welcome back, guys. Today, we're playing COD Mobile cuz a mythic drop just came out. As you can see, there's the mythic switchblade. The second Makoto skin. A legendary echo grenade. An epic rally car, and Anna's M10 epic blueprint. Oh my god, it looks so good. Let the money wasting commence. Sorry, this year's Season 3 Battle Pass emote is the best. Could have been better. Not that it's bad, I just don't care for it. Here we are, the legendary Echo Grenade. Should have done a legendary trophy system in my opinion. Not bad at all. Also, the visor on her face is an attachment. It's finally in my hands. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I unlocked the most expensive legendary. I already have the Strafing Run legendary. We'll review this skin in my next video. Oh, like the mythic Kilo and Fennec, it talks. Iron Sight is clear and pay to win as every mythic should. It's like the Fennec Ascended but on steroids. Not sure what it's doing, but it looks cool. Bullet number display on the back like the M13. Oh, I like this phase, the blue looks so good. This also has a different mythic upgrade user interface. I'm not sure why they did that. Oh my god, so good. This has a custom reload animation. Let's compare it with some others. Yup, the switchblade is better. Here is my gunsmith and load out. This build feels so good to use. I also wanted to check the reactive kill effect.
エネルギーチャージを開始します。
This is the second effect.
チャージ速度が向上しました。
This is the last effect.
チャージ最大値へ到達しました。
Looks good. Hope future mythics have reactive kill effects. Overall, really like this mythic. It's the best one they've released. That'll be all for now. Later guys.